Melissa, for taking the time to help to tell us, what the information or resource we have here to help students. Yeah.
Good morning and welcome to Send Silence Packing. This is our suicide prevention exhibit. So we want to show students that we care about their health, their mental health and their well-being, and we're going to do this today by sharing stories of individuals who have been impacted by suicide. And so we invite our students to come and visit our exhibit, learn about the mental health resources that are on campus, and join us in the conversation about improving mental health with our students.
Okay, thank you very much.